It's like all of my life, man, I've been grinding so long. And then I make it, I told my mama, hold on. If you not here forever, it's best that you just going on. I'm just tryna stay.
What up, YouTube? You already know, man. We in Charlotte with it.
So I'm gonna go ahead and start it that easy.
Vlog, we just vlogging. Quick little mall vlog. Feel me? Beautiful. Got that boy Slime
Man,
right
you
here.
already know, man. Go subscribe to my channel, man. Link.
Man.
Go subscribe to my channel. My boy hit 1K, man.
Yeah, you already know,
My boy
man.
hit 1K, man.
Yeah, man. We just look at the view, bro. Look at the view. Check out the drip. You feel me? Quick drip check.
Show the shoes, bro. Just show the shoes. No, yours, not mine.
Oh yeah. Listen though, quick check. You feel me? Just a quick little mall vlog. You know, I don't know. We buying stuff. You feel me? Just vlogging. See what I'm saying? We up in Charlotte with it. We had to leave the location. But yeah, I ain't gonna vlog in every store because some stores don't allow recording. But yeah.
My boy 1K, man. My boy got 1K, man.
Facts.
1K?
It look like it's about to rain out here. Really, I don't know. But yeah. My boy birthday tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
That's good news. Good news. Yeah, man. But listen, I want to say thank y'all. Thank y'all for the 1K, bro. I couldn't do the 1K without y'all. Thank y'all for 1K.
What we gonna say, y'all?
Huh? Nigga, it's right here.
My boy hit 1K. My boy hit 1K subscribers.
My boy also vlogging right
My
here.
boy hit 1K, man.
Yeah, man.
My boy hit 1K, man. Tell him about yourself, man.
Yeah, man. I hit 1K. Hit 1K. Did it in a day. Let me stop playing. Oh Lord, let me. Wait, let me fix my shoes, y'all. Let me fix my shoes, bro. Let me fix my shoes. What's up, y'all? I'm back. I'm currently at H&M. I don't know, can y'all hear me or not? But yeah, I'm currently in H&M. I'm in the baby size. Yeah. I might buy my nephew son and my niece. I don't know. I don't really got, you feel me? Batman, y'all feeling this? I ain't feeling that. Not too good. But yeah, man. Bro, 5 o'clock traffic was so crazy, bro. Man, we back at it, bro. Gotta keep it slime right here, man. Bro, I just got a haircut too. Oh my God. Listen, bro. Still at the mall, bro. Still ain't bought nothing yet. Shit kind of crazy. Shit kind of tragic. You know, I'm in Dicks, bro. I came here last week. I had a punching bag, bro. It's gone. If you did not know, you know I talked to Bruce Lee in my sleep. So I talked to Bruce Lee. I talked to Bruce Lee 2 times in my sleep, and I was gonna come up here and get this. I talked to him 2 times in my sleep, right? And I came up here about the whole equipment. Like,
Get the dummy, bro.
get the dummy?
You might as well get the dummy.
Bro, I'm not getting the dummy, bro.
Let's have to practice.
Bro,
Let's have to practice on the dummy.
the dummy?
Yeah.
Like, bro, I wanted that so bad.
Really, it went over 250.
I wanted that so bad.
That's crazy.
Well, y'all, I think we about to leave in a little bit. I still ain't found them yet. Honestly, I came up here to buy a boxing, but it's gone. It's gone. Man, bro, we've been walking a good 15 minutes.
Good hour, man.
A good hour.
Ain't caught
Not nothing yet.
When we came last weekend,
We saw everything we wanted.
and was gonna come up here and get it.
We on stacked up, racked up, cacked up.
Everything.
Bruh.
It's the older women that are there.
Bruh.
Yeah.
We about to leave tomorrow, bro. With nothing.
Absolutely.
We ain't get nothing.
With the same stuff we came with.
Our car keys and the face mask. We ain't coming with nothing.
And my nose ring.
Yeah, we leaving with nothing. We came with nothing, leaving that. Bro, listen, bro. I really wanted that boxing thing, bro.
I want to be.
Y'all still don't know what I'm talking about, so I'm gonna put a picture up right beside it. But I wanted that. It was $289. I was gonna get that, bro.
Then the not the price.
Cause on Walmart they $300. That was $280 something. Feel me? The cheaper the better. Listen though, bro.
No, the real hard part is finding a car.
No,
Yeah.
you're on that side.
Oh, this.
But yeah, bro, this was an epic fail. We came to the mall, blah, blah. I came specifically to get this boxing thing, and we ain't even get nothing. It's cool, though. It's cool. Next time we gonna check in instead of wasting gas.
This is the second time.
This is the second time. Okay, the first time we came up here, we came for the last week
We came over
to a window shop.
there.
And we ain't get nothing. We ain't get nothing on, bro. Fade,
Took your car, bro.
crispy. They must be a good hot wire. Cause the keys in my pocket.
You can't. They take them up here, bro.
Yeah, man. Epic fail. We about to go get some lunch. I'll let y'all see that one wherever we get where we're going. Holla out.